Good morning, student. Today we will discuss principle of health and operating room arteries. Okay. In this we will see principle of operating room. Okay. Mm, Before starting this all, we start. OT is an area of minimal contaminated. You all know this. The OT is um, maximum daily cases, surgery cases will be there. So OT is an area of minimal contaminated. It is imperative to avoid the contamination of source outside of the OT. Cloth wear by the OT staff and patient and other persons coming into the OT area that have pathogenic organism, with organism can act as a source of infection in a OT. Thus, it is mandatory for anyone entering in the OT area first change into the OT um, our clothes and wear the OT artery, and then uh, proceed further into the zone 2 and 3. OT artery generally consists of OT suit, uniforms, gown, mask, cap, footwear, all following principle should be followed. Okay, first general principle is all the OT staff and the patients must change into the artery attire in entering zone first. Okay, this is very important key whenever all the patients come in the OT, the time patient must change into the OT address, OT wears, and entering zone first. All the theatre personnel are to ensure that they are aware to the dress policies within the ar- artery and adhere to it. Okay, all these are change your cloth. OT articles must be included the OT pants, suits, shoes, slippers, cap, mask, and gown. No person should move out of the OT and after the changing into OT. Okay, OT wear. Tone of excessively stained dresses should be replaced from the OT stock. Whenever you put any OT dresses, after that, whenever you go out, the time you replace the OT wear. Okay, the OT room should focus on maintaining the aseptic. Mm, all the cloth and gown, whatever you wear in the OT, that are maintain the asepsis techniques. Okay, adequate and suitable storage and changing facilities should be provided for staff clothing theater. Okay, there should be adequate provision for disposal of solid linen with the changing room, and safety goals must be, it will be appropriate. Wristwatch, okay, bangles, rings, all would not be worn by staff who have direct patient in contact. Okay, principle governing use of theater suits. Okay, next we will see this is all the OT staff. This is circulatory nurse. It help to other staff whenever the other staff need to any things article, that time circulatory nurse provide this. Okay, this is operating theater lamp. It is very important. Okay, whenever we do any procedure, that it is focus on highlight the through the lights. Okay, this is assistant surgeon. This one is assistant surgeon, and this is suction machine. Whenever this procedure will be done, any fluid will be collected, this suction machine is collect all the fluid. This is intravenous fluid. Whenever patient have any problem In between the time, the intravenous fluid will be provided to the patients. This is chief surgeon. It is do the surgery. Okay. This one is anesthetic. This is monitor, that is cardiac monitor. Okay, this is anesthesiologist. Okay, whenever a patient before doing this surgery, patient give any anesthesia, local anesthesia, general anesthesia, uh, given by the anesthesiologist. Okay. This is operating table. All articles should be there. Instrument table, this is instrument, all the instrument arranged within the table. Or this is scrub nurse. It is fully sterile. Okay. This is help to other surgeon and assistant surgeon. This is circulatory nurse. How it, you will see how it is given the uh, things to the scrub nurse. This is scrub nurse, all where it should be completed. Okay, next one is surgical arteries, scrub suits, cap, hood. You all know scissors, cover, mask, gloves. These all are the surgical arteries. General principles: all the staff must change to OTR. You all know, whenever we go in a OT, the time we change the cloth also. Okay, shoes, and we remove our shoes out of the OT, and hand washing. Uh, okay, wear any other gown will be, we wear the gown. Aware of the dresses policies. It must be changed the attire if any swelling occurs. No one should get out change into the OT trial. Okay, focuses on maintaining the aseptic techniques. Next one is safety, especially safety should be warm required. Okay, this safety, this is very important point. Okay, whenever we personnel should remove their personal things whenever we uh, go to the OT rooms. Okay. Next principle, using gown. You see, this is dry hand. How to wear gown. This is they put dry hands. Okay. Pick up the gown. How to pick up the gown. After that, let gown the unfold. How to unfold this. After that, open to left sleeve, and after that, arm hold the arm, slip arm into the sleeve bulge. Okay. Next, sixth one is hold the arms out and slightly up. After that, circulatory pull up the gown on. Okay. Next principle is using gloves. You all know how to wear gloves. First step you will see there. After that, B step, clearly see C step, D step, E step, and last one is F step. After this, wear the style gloves. We do how to do style gloves. This is also style gloves. How to use this is procedure. You all know. You see, you have any confusion, doubt, you will see there. Okay, how to put gloves. Equipment required in a OT. This is all the equipment, but it is needed in should be OT. Okay, needed requirement in a OT: gown, glove. This is equipment, material requirement like anesthetic equipment, operating equipment, supply for anesthesia and operation, monitor device, drug, parental fluid, gases, recovery room equipment, all the necessary equipment. Monitor should be there, extra machines should be there. Okay. uh, Instrument table, laparoscopy set, laryngoscope with blade, major surgical instrument, or light table, ortho instrument, oxygen unit, और spinal set, sphygmomanometer adult के लिए and other. Okay, you all see this. This is the articles. Okay, air conditioner unit 1, anesthetic machine 1, case set 1, instrumental table 1, laboratory set 1, laryngoscope 1, right table and left table. Next, oxygen unit 1, spinal set 1, BP instrument, BP apparatus, pediatric adult 1 and pediatric 1, stethoscope 1, suction apparatus 1 and lint stitcher 1. Okay, next one is switcher. You all know what is switcher. Switcher are the thread used to close the interrupted surface caused because of injury, wound, surgical incision, until healed occur. Skillful wound closer required not only this knowledge of surgical procedure but also used to knowledge physical characteristic and property suture the needle. It is available in various size and diameter. Usually you see the size denoted. Okay, size, shape, different types of switches will be available. Okay, first one is criteria for selection of switches. First, this is surgeon preference, speed of healing, tissue contamination. Okay, cost and availability. Next, anesthetic concern. Next, tension, desire to hold healing. These all are the criteria for selection of switches. Okay, next one, this is types of switcher. There are 3 types of switcher: observable switches, material switches, and metric origins. Okay, there are observable switches. We will see 2 types: observable and non-observable. First is polyglycotic acid and cud. Second one is catgut and polydinoxone. Next, non-observable silk switcher, catgut switcher, nylon and polyester. ठीक है, next one is material switches. Monofilament, first catgut, nylon, stainless steel, polypropylene. Okay, next is multi-filament, polyglycatin and polyester steel. Silk switches. Natural switches is silk and catgut. And synthetic, this is material original, natural and synthetic. Silk and catgut, all other available switches. Okay, next one is switcher techniques: interrupting switches, continuous switches and metrus switches. First one is interrupting switches. There are simple switcher and subcircular switcher. And continuous switches, there are 2 types: running intradermal pulling switches and running circular switcher. And last one is metrus switches. First is simple interrupted. You will see, you see there, this is how to simple interrupted switches. Simple interrupted switches. The techniques of switcher in one of the most commonly used techniques. One side is skin is procured with needle perpendicular the skin surface, and the needle in the take over the opposite side of incision with needle point little way to beyond the point of pitching. After that, needle point is then dog back slightly included and more subcutaneous fat into the stretch. The same procedure is then repeat for the second stretch. Each stitches cut leave out 1 centimeter end. You will see there in between the 1 centimeter end. Okay, closely place 5 stitch, create a strong stitcher link with widely spaced having switches. This all we have some space will be there. Next is subcuticular switches. This types of switches provide the excellent cosmetic effect in the lower tension of skin margin. They can be removed quickly early and thus hit marks are avoided. However, these sutures should not be placed into the superficial dermis layer. You will see modified intraptate subcuticular sutures. They start with usually and interrupted with epidermis sutures and end with the placement. This is snip epidermal sutures. Okay, cover pull from both ends. This is after that remove. Okay, right. Next one is continuous sutures. You will see there, and these sutures run through the whole incision with the interruption in between the individual sutures. Okay, this is the interruption individual sutures, this is interruptions. Okay, whole suture in between the interruptions. In the techniques similarly to interrupted simple suture without cutting them each stitch. Okay, without cutting each stitch. Here you will see without cutting each stitch will be there. After that, however, the tension continuously this suture must be carefully adjusted as they tend to become too light. Okay, you will see in the picture. Next one is running cuticular. Okay, this is interdermal pull out the sutures. Okay, this technique is excellent of closely. Whenever we use this technique, that is excellent in closing skin. Okay, it can be placed in the dermis close to skin surface as they are removed post operatively also. Okay, this technique is strong in smooth stitches materials such as polypropylene and nylon like. Okay, this is mattress sutures. Mattress sutures, you see there, this technique we use commonly abdominal and chest wall incision whenever any abdominal surgery, LSES. Okay, lower abdominal cesarean section, the time we use this mattress sutures. This technique commonly used in abdominal and chest wall incision. Because of every effect in this techniques, needle pass through twist through the skin aids. You see their corner will aids will be open. Okay, the stitch start with simple suture and then needle is passed back picking up the skin very close to aids on the both side of wound in the same plane. Since the type of technique we stitching may leave linear scars. Okay, you will see there this both corner here stitch with both corner. Here you will see there a stitch, every corner will be stitches. This is mattress stitcher. Next we will see biomedical waste management. You all know, and every time whenever you go hospital, clinical area, medical surgical posting, the time every day I ask biomedical waste management. Okay, you all know what is biomedical waste management. Definition: waste generated in the diagnostic, treatment and immunization of human being or animal, in research or production and testing of biological products. Classification of hospital waste. Hospital waste is non-hazard waste and hazard waste. In hazard waste, we see the potentially toxic and potentially infectious. Potentially toxic, we will see the radioactive waste, chemical waste, and pharmaceutical waste, and soft waste and non-soft waste, solid and liquid. Okay, next is category biomedical waste management category. First, human anatomical waste and human tissue, organ, body parts we all collect in category 1. Category 2 is animal waste, tissue, organ, body parts, bleeding parts, fluids, blood. These all are in category 2. Next one is option waste, category 3. Microbiological, biotechnical waste from laboratory cultures, all specimen, microorganism, vaccinations, animal cell culture, all will be category 3. Next, category 4 waste of needles, syringes, okay, blades will be in a category 4. Category 5 is discarded medicines, cytotoxic drugs, waste, contaminated and discarded medications. Category 6 solid waste items contaminated with blood and body fluids, including the cotton, dressing, solid, plastic, cast, linen, bandage material contaminated with bloods. Okay. Category 7 solid waste generated from disposal items other than the waste and soft needleless tubing, catheters and intravenous sites. Category 8 liquid waste, waste generated from the laboratory and washing, cleaning, housing, keeping, disinfecting activities. Okay, and next category 9 is as the incidence of biomedical waste management, and next one is category 10 chemical waste, chemical use in the production of biological, chemical use in disinfections and insecticides. Next we will see the color coding and types of container. Whenever you go hospital, that time you see every department, emergency, ICU, OT, every wards also, the color coding types of container will be available for hospital waste management. Okay, this is the color coding: yellow, red, blue, white and black. Okay, first we will see color coding types of container, category, and last one is treatment option as per schedule. Okay, first yellow color coding types of container is plastic bag, category 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, treatment option as per schedule for incisions oblique deburral. Okay, next is red disinfected container या plastic bag, 3 category 3, 6 and 7. autoclaving कर सकते हैं and microwaving, chemical treatment. Okay, next one is blue white transaction. This is types of containers: plastic bag, puncture proof container. Okay, we will in the category of 4 and 7. This treatment option as per schedule is autoclaving oblique microwaving, chemical treatment and destructing threading. Next one is black plastic bag, 5, 9, 10 solid. This is treatment disposal in secured with landfill. These all are the, you will see. After it, one question for you: why waste has to treat it? You have any idea why we make a different color coding? Why you make different categories? Has to be treated? No? Okay. Alert. Okay, first aids, potential health risk of biomedical waste management. First aids, okay, hepatitis B and C. Next, gastrointestinal infections, respiratory infections, bloodstream infections and skin infectious effect of radioactive substance and intoxications. This topic is completed. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Okay, students? Fine.